In StackAI, large language models are the foundation of powerful AI applications, letting you build everything from chatbots to complex workflows. You have flexible options to choose from various providers, connect your own API keys, or even use local language models running in your own infrastructure. This flexibility gives you control over performance, cost, and security while letting you create AI solutions tailored to your specific needs. In this tutorial, we'll explore working with large language models in StackAI. First, we'll look at available model providers and how to select them. Then we'll explore model configuration, including instructions and prompts. Next, we'll see advanced settings like memory and citations. And finally, we'll check out organization-wide model management. StackAI gives you access to a wide range of language model providers that you can simply drag and drop into your canvas. Once you've added a model to your workflow, you can easily switch between providers and specific models with just a click. For example, changing from GPT-4 to Claude 3.7. When using these providers through StackAI, you're leveraging our enterprise agreements and API keys by default, ensuring your data is secure and properly handled. For organizations with specific requirements, you can also connect to local models running in your own infrastructure, using our open source model integration. If you prefer to use your own API keys for providers like OpenAI, you can create a custom connection. This is optional for most providers, but required for local models. To set up these connections, you need to configure the API endpoint and include your authentication keys. Every language model in StackAI has two primary configuration areas: instructions and the prompt. The instructions section, sometimes called the system prompt, is where you provide guidance to the model about its role, behavior, and limitations. These instructions aren't visible to end users when they interact with your application. They serve as guardrails for how the model should behave. The prompt section below is where you connect all your inputs. This is typically where user messages and other data sources flow into the model. You can connect knowledge bases and other data sources directly to the prompt, allowing the system to reference your organization's specific information when generating responses. For a better writing experience, you can click the Expand button to work with the prompt in a larger editing area. StackAI offers several advanced settings to optimize your language model's performance. The memory feature gives you different options for how the model remembers previous interactions in a conversation. Citations is a particularly important setting. When enabled, it ensures the model's responses include references to the documents or sources it used to generate its answer. This is crucial when pulling information from knowledge bases, web searches, or other document services you've connected. You can also enable guardrails like PII compliance to ensure sensitive information is handled appropriately. At the bottom of the settings panel, you'll find fallback options that let you configure backup models. If your primary model fails, StackAI can automatically route the request to an alternative model. You can also enable automatic retries when failures occur, ensuring a smooth experience for your users. Another powerful feature is the ability to chain multiple language models together, allowing you to combine their outputs or use specialized models for different parts of your workflow. For organization administrators, StackAI provides powerful controls over which models are available to your users. In the settings area under feature access control, you can limit which providers appear in the sidebar, ensuring your team only uses approved models. For example, if you don't want users to access models hosted on certain platforms, you can simply deactivate those providers. You can also create default connections with your organization's API keys for specific providers, giving you control over billing and usage. The language model capabilities in StackAI give you the flexibility to use the right AI for each task while maintaining security and control. By combining different models, connecting to your own knowledge sources, and setting appropriate guardrails, you can create powerful AI applications tailored to your organization's needs. Thanks for watching and happy building.